really try and get comfortable with this jigger in your hand. Like what I always tell bartenders, new bartenders is you need to walk around with this thing almost in your hand every day. If you guys have jiggers at work, you really need to work kind of walk around holding it and just like kind of play with it in your fingers so you can get the feel of the jigger itself. Okay. So what I usually do, and the best control for me, okay, not there, is there. So this will allow me to pour and dunk, and switch to a double. Okay. Pour and dump from like both sides. Okay, so that's basically the grip that you need to think of. So middle finger out, two fingers on the inside, go in and pick it up like that. Okay, so you can support it on both sides, there and there. Cool. Then on the bottom, this is where most bartenders always kind of struggle a little bit, is to get the confidence in gripping the bottle the way that you feel comfortable with it, but that you've got proper control on the bottle too, okay? Like you never want to be holding the bottle at the bottom and pouring there, because that's going to happen. Also, for sure, you're not going to have as much control as what you have here. Same goes for here. Like it's too thick, it's too wide. Other bottles are even way bigger than this. You don't want to be holding it there and trying to pour here, okay? So first thing is you grab it by its neck. Hold it by its neck. And like I said before, don't block that breathing hole there, okay? Always keep that open so that it can flow. And then what you'll do is, it's basically a 45 to 90 degree angle that you need to lift the bottle up into, okay? So there, 1, 2, and come back down again. And then almost to the rim, where you'll have your 25 mils. And then done. Okay? And then a double. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just counting it so you guys can kind of get the feel of what a double count should be like. Okay? And done. So that's basically it. Then we can obviously go into a reverse pour as well. Well, grab it, reverse pour. 1, 2, drop forward, done. And bring it back again. Okay, so there's a couple of different things that you can do, but it's all about practicing and just getting confident with that pour. But I would like you guys to start with a standard grip. Pinch your jigger, whichever, like this works too. You can definitely do that. There's nothing wrong with holding the jigger like that and still dumping it. But the essentials are.
You guys will see, eh? There's labels always.
Yeah.
It's always been up front.
And this needs to be angled that way so that it works with the label too. That way, okay. What else can I say? Up, down. That's it. It's that simple. Really. Okay. Don't go. Not there. Okay. No, that's not the way to do it. Up 90, almost between 45 and 90 degrees to really get it flow constantly. And just keep an eye on it. When it's almost to the top, you just bring it back down again. It's that simple, guys. Okay. What do you think? Are we ready? So it's that good. This is what I like.